God bless you, everybody. This is Minister Matthew Talley, and I am so excited about what's happening in December at John 3:16 Church in Bronx, New York. They are having a youth campaign, and I'm honored to be a part of it. I'll be ministering on December 6th. It's a Tuesday night, and that means we're going to have a revival on a Tuesday, and I'm so looking forward to all that God has in store for us on that night. So don't meet me there, beat me there. I want you to be in the place. Bring your youth groups, bring your friends, bring your family members, because that entire week God is going to do amazing things. So join us once again, December 6th. It's a Tuesday night. I know it's a school night, but look, we're going to have an amazing time in the presence of God. So join us. I'm excited. I can't wait to see you. Let's give God the glory together in the KABOD experience. God has something to say, and I'm so looking forward to having that time with you. God bless you. I'll see you there.